Okay, guys, I'm going to mute everyone. Okay, I've muted everybody. Welcome to the webinar. It is a weekly outlook. This is a weekly webinar in which I'm going to see the week ahead. I'm going to analyze few pairs. I'm going to see the possible trading opportunities in the market with you guys by the rules of price action. Yes, at times we will use Fibonacci retracements and expansions to seize institutional targets. But mostly I will be focusing on pure price action, which is lecture 1 and 2 of my training, and most of you will already, my students already have completed or are studying lecture 1 and 2. Very interesting week ahead, very interesting week ahead. Let's see the opportunities for us, and those who are studying with me. I am strongly expecting you guys to achieve your 100 pips this week. No excuses, especially when I'm sharing the trading setups with you. And I will be sharing my trading setups with you later today or tomorrow on H4 time frames. I share the levels. All you have to do is to apply the rules of price action on those levels to take the trade precisely. That's it. That's it. That's all you need. So let's get on with it. The first thing I'm going to focus on US pairs, US crosses, and let's see the US index first, the dollar index first, and see where the dollar is. Let's consider the dollar index. Let's consider the daily time frame first and see if the dollar index is bullish or bearish. Please confirm again if everybody can hear me clearly, all of you. Okay, guys, price is at a support level, and it's a demand zone as well. Of course, you will learn what demand and supply demand is in lecture 3, and students will get access to lecture 3 tomorrow, guys. All of you who have already been on demo training and who already have completed lecture 1 and 2, the price is at support. My question is, will you be buying or selling here? The answer, will you be buying right now or selling right now based on the daily candle formation? Anyone? And where the level is? Neither. That's a good answer. Absolutely right. 100%. First of all, will I be selling here? Absolutely not. The problem is prices at what level? Tell me the level. Anyone, quickly. Support. That's right, Mike. Price is at support. I cannot sell. I need the price to break the support level before I can restart selling the US dollar. Make sense? Give me a second, guys. Okay, just give me a second, guys. Let me see something. Okay, now let's focus. Okay, okay, guys, that is rightly said. The price is at a support level, so we would not be looking for buying opportunities, of course, selling opportunities on dollar. Instead, we will wait for the dollar to show us some indication. Last week was pretty easy, guys. The week before we had the break of the trend line, break and the retest, break with the bearish engulfing, 3 candlesticks, evening star formation, hanging man, the price retest, retest with the kiss was the classic retest, and eventually price went to the downside. If you were trading last week and the week before, it was pretty easy for you to sell dollar, buy the dollar crosses and sell US dollar based on this formation in front of you guys. Make sense? Okay guys, great. So this week I will be looking for what? Not yet, not yet. Price achieved 161 Fibonacci retracement expansions. I seek a reversal, but obviously the price has room to the downside again guys. So yes, we expect the price to rise, but let's see how the price develops. Price can take a dip to the downside and test, by the way friends, test this area before it rise, and there are no buyers yet into the market. Wait for the price to show some indication as to the buyers are entering into the market before you get on with it. But at this moment in time, the US dollar is bullish, is at, no, it's neutral, it's at a very significant level. At a very significant level, and we will be waiting for the buyers to kick in. But in case the price breaches the support level, obviously the price is going to the downside, and this will be a significant sell-off then, obviously, if this happens. Guys, you understand this? Everybody understand this? Please confirm, everyone. So guys, make a note of this. Make a note of this. Make a note of this. Give me a second. Okay guys, that's fine. So everybody understand the US dollar situation, the situation at US dollar, where what we're looking for US dollar. If everybody understand, please move on. Let's move on to the next pair. And again, guys, the dollar strength means sell off, selling opportunities on the crosses which are standing at significant resistance level. That's how we trade. So you just don't start selling the crosses, Euro US dollar, GBP US dollar, Australian US dollar, New Zealand US dollar. You don't just start selling them. You see if any of them have significant nice setup rejection at resistance level. That is the pair that you should be focusing on. If it makes sense guys, I have to use the dollar index and to trade its crosses. Make sense? Okay guys, how do you trade? You will be trading the crosses, those crosses. Now, dollar index, you expect the price to rise if it's sold at support, right? So go back to the crosses, Euro US dollar, GBP US dollar, Australian US dollar, and see if any of them are at significant resistance, and if there is rejection there, and then you get on with that pair. Makes sense? That's how you trade. Guys, everybody understand? Please say yes, all of you. Okay, that's fine. Let's move on to the crosses and see where we are standing. Euro US dollar first. Okay, Euro US dollar is at a significant level. Again, the price began its journey from the support channel, support. Then the price start rising, made a higher low and continuation to the upside guys. The price can always go to these areas guys, which is 1.9, 1.10. That is significant round number, psychological level again guys. But let's see, the price has to break this barrier right now, which is 1.850. Significant guys, extremely significant, which is a point of reaction. Institutional level, can you guys see this, right? Unless the price is breaching this, I would not be buying this pair. Instead, I will be looking for selling opportunities. Also guys, there is a gap in the market. There is a gap in the market, and normally market likes to fill its gap before she moves into the other direction, if it makes sense. That's right, sir. So buying above this, pretty simple. That's your trading plan has to be. So these levels, right, and rejection here. First target is the level 1.0700. That's very interesting level to see, which is also a point of reaction where institutionally you have some resistance, and if the price breaches this, and of course these levels 1.0630 and eventually leading into 1.500. Everybody understand the trading plan? Please confirm. And guys, again, if the price breaches this level 1.0850, then the next selling opportunities will be presented here on these levels, of course. Everybody understand this? Everybody understand the trading plan, guys? You need to have the trading plan. Okay, great. Let's move on to the next one. I'm going quickly browsing the pairs so that we can keep on focusing moving forward. GBP US dollar, very interesting pair, guys. Very interesting pair. A big event this week. Again, price is in a descending channel, has been falling since the referendum in United Kingdom. And guys, the fundamental the reaction of the market participant is this: whenever there is an event, whenever there is a news, whenever there is progress as to the exit is concerned of the United Kingdom from the European Union, the market falls. The market makers sell GBP. That has been happening. It has been happening. Any event last week, the week before, you have the Queen signing the act and making it law and authorizing the Prime Minister of Britain, Theresa May, to trigger Article 50 this Wednesday. Therefore, the price fell again, reacted. Market always reacting negatively to any progress into the trigger of Article 50. That's been happening since last month, since the referendum. Therefore, in line with what's happening before, our expectation is that on Wednesday, when the Prime Minister will speak to the House of Commons at 12 o'clock and announce and inform them that she has triggered the Article 50 and the letter will be dispatched to the European Union in the afternoon, I'm expecting the pound to fall. That is what I'm expecting. That's what expectations are. Let's see, before that speech, if the price is standing at significant resistance levels or support levels, guys, you will have to be very vigilant on this. If the price is standing at a resistance, for instance, before the event's going to happen on Wednesday, then you should be selling it with confidence. Of course, be careful, be vigilant, because there will be a lot of volatility into the market. But let's say if the price is standing on support, guys, before the event, anybody tell me what you're gonna do? No, you will not be buying this, guys. Instead, you will wait for the price to get and let the event take place, guys. The problem is this is such a big event, such a big event. Normally the impact has been so negative that I'm pretty much sure that the price will eventually fall. So if the price is at support level, I'd rather not buy the GBP and let the event take place first. Makes sense? Or break that support level, turn into resistance, then start selling. That's how I will be approaching this event, because this is not a normal event. Make sense, guys? If you understand this, everybody understand? Please say yes, all of you. Let's consider this. Price has been making lower highs, guys, right now. And I've got a sell trade on this. Daily, I've got a tweezers on this, the daily 2 candles formation, then a hanging man on this. So it's pretty interesting to see how the price reacts. Price is in the descending channel, guys. Again, if you really want to buy this, this should be your buying opportunity to these levels, right? Otherwise, any rise is another selling opportunity to the downside. Make sense, guys? Everybody understand this? And remember, the price is in a descending channel. The price is losing momentum. The price is making lower highs, guys. That's what the technical says. And I do not expect the price to break the high, the previous high before the event. So it's pretty interesting. And I expect the price to be at the resistance levels, major resistance levels before the event. It's very interesting. I will be betting on selling it. I will take a trade on this before the event, and let's see how she plays. Again, guys, it is an event. Anything can happen. At the end of the day, price can manipulate, go up first, take out your stop losses, then go to the downside. That can happen. So please protect your accounts. Make sense? Everybody understand? Say yes, all of you.
Yes.
Okay, great. Let's move forward. So everybody understand GBP? Shall we move forward now? I'm not using any harmonic patterns, guys. I'm purely focusing on price action. There has been a break of the trend line. The price has made a shooting star, a hammer, shooting star, inside bar, a hammer, a hanging man, another shooting star, and right now the price is forming very low volume into the market. There is a head and shoulder formation on H4. That is your head, that's your left shoulder, that is your right shoulder. It's pretty interesting to see what happens. Make sense, guys? Everybody understand this, right? Okay, great. Let's move on to the next one. Australian dollar has rejected significantly again from a significant level which has been in play since the April of last year. Can you see this, guys? Since the April of last year, Australian dollar has been rejecting, and hence, guys, I have been selling Australian dollar since. Extremely interesting, very interesting, guys. Now, something to consider. Let me give you an example here. There is a secondary analytic chart pattern on this. Which is what? Anyone in front of me? There is a chart pattern. What is it? Anyone? Guys, there is inverted head and shoulder on this formation. That's right, sir. This, Derek, absolutely right. This is your head, left shoulder, right shoulder, and that is the neckline, guys. Can you see this? So everybody understand this? Again, guys, this head and shoulder will be activated if the price breaches this. Make sense? Guys, remember, we cannot trade by the rules of secondary analysis. I've been saying this to you guys. Imagine you see head and shoulder, you take a trade on this, then what? Again, guys, you should never be trading just based on head and shoulder formation. It's there, but I'm not buying it yet unless the price clear that level which has been respected since last year. And again, last week, significant rejection. The 2 weeks before, another significant rejection. So price has been struggling. I expect the price to fall. Again, where's your entry if the price falls? Again, guys, everybody know where to start buying, right? If you want to buy this pair, for instance, guys, let's say if you want to buy this is the buying opportunity if it's being presented, or this is your selling opportunities. Break of this bring the selling opportunities here. Can you see this, everybody? Right? I expect the price to fall, guys. That's what I'm expecting. So let's say these are the resistance levels, the price at 76, 765 and 77.20. In between, if there is rejection, I will be selling it. Again, guys, you can of course take a scalp on this, buying scalp on this on the price. Again, guys, I don't like buying here. That is not me, because price can always go make another top formation, start selling here again. So where should be selling, focusing on selling these areas, guys. Can you see this? And also, this is your selling opportunity. Break of this trend line. Everybody understand? So you need to have the clear trading plan ready. Just wait for the price, hit on those levels, get on with the trade, guys. There is a buying opportunity break. I suggested I'm not taking a trade on this because risk and reward is not good, guys. And I do not try to stuck in a trade where risk and reward isn't good on each 4 time frame. So everybody understand? Please confirm by saying yes, all of you.
Yes.
It's bearish. It has been rejecting. It's in an uptrend. It has been rejecting. It's still in an uptrend, guys. Can you see this? This is an uptrend. Confirmed trade will be the break of this trend line, guys. Break of this trend line will bring the confirmed trade, by the way. And if this happens, I'm expecting this. It's very interesting to see how the price reacts. But again, guys, at this moment in time, if you are selling, you have to be careful that there is a support which has been respected. We need a break of this. Get on with the trade aggressively. You will have a nice trade the downside. Looking at dollar weaknesses last 2 weeks, dollar weaknesses in last 2 weeks, and the fact that the price has failed to breach the high on the chart, I'm expecting the Australian dollar to go to the downside. But that's my expectation is, because any strength in US dollar will give fuel to the downside movement momentum. So please confirm if everybody understand this so I can move to the next pair. All of you understand this. Say yes, all of you, please.
Yes.
Okay, now USD CAD. Again, as I said, I see US dollar index at a support level. It's a matter of time. If the buyers kicks in, the price rises, or if the price reaches a support level, the price will fall. Let's consider on a short time frames the US CAD. This is a support level, guys. Can you see this, right? Again, guys, I want to buy around these levels. Can you see this, guys? Everybody see this? I want to buy on these levels. These are my buying levels. Everybody see this and understand? Please confirm by saying yes.
Yes.
Have the clarity as to your trading plan is concerned. You need to have the clarity. If the clarity is there, all you need is execution based on the rules of the price action, and time frame is of no significance and no importance, guys. Can you see this? Everybody see this, right? So if the price breaches this, the price will return to these levels, guys. We might see this because I see there is a room on dollar index to the downside. Can you say this, guys? Or this is your buying opportunity. Everybody say this, right? And everybody understand. If everybody understand the trading plan, say yes. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty lean, neat, pretty clean. Guys, do not sell heavy on this unless, and you shouldn't be in your sell trade if the price breaches 1.3334 levels, which is this. Make sense? And then again, we will be waiting and see how the price reacts and looking for selling opportunities on these levels. So if everybody understand the trading plan, please confirm by saying yes. All of you, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Remember, any selling could be dangerous here. You need to be watchful of the selling. The reason is the price is in an ascending channel. So be vigilant on this. There is a big ascending channel. The price takes its journey in the descending channel from resistance to support level. I'm going to show you this. That's what happened. The price completed its journey from this resistance back to the support level. That's only happens. That's it. In a descending channel, because remember, the price travels on tracks, on channels. So everybody understand the trading plan on US CAD. I can move forward. Please confirm, all of you.
Yes.
Let's consider the gold, guys. Gold is at a major resistance level, guys. It rise in last 30 minutes. Let's see. I'm not going to buy the gold yet. If I would like to buy the gold, it has to be, guys, you understand this, right? Because these resistance levels are not just resistance, these are areas of supply, guys. So you need to be vigilant on this. All of these areas, the gold might rise a little. You need a break of the trend line, then it's a confirmed sell trade, guys. Everybody understand this, right? Everybody understand this? Please confirm if everyone understand the trading plan. So guys, please wait for the setups to mature themselves. Do not just jump on the trades. Right now, if you say you sold gold, I say it's fine. It's a risky trade because there is a support next to it. And where is the support? This trend line is acting as a support. You need a break of this to get on with the trade, guys. Trust me, guys, wait for the trade. Wait for the break and the retest. If that happens, you get on the trade. Trust me, the risk and reward will be good. You'll eventually the profit taking will be good. The trade will be high probability trades. And the trade will have a better reward as compared to the risk, guys. Okay, everybody understand? Please confirm by saying yes. Any rise up till these areas, I will be interesting to see where the rejection is. So you can see the gap right on the gold. You can see the gap, right? Precisely the way we had a gap on the dollar index. You see the gap, right, to the downside, guys? Can you see this gap? The price does have the gap to travel to the downside before if she wants reverse to the upside. So if everybody understand, please say yes, all of you.
Yes.
Okay, let's consider the yen crosses, euro, US, euro, yen, one of my best pairs, and I've always been trading, guys. This is where we are standing. Everybody see this, right? We need a break of the trend line to go short again. I am not selling it yet, and I do not suggest selling it. Last week was a sell-off. You might see some retracement to the upside again. You might see some movement to the upside. So where would I be selling this? Again, this is the price range and that is the trap, guys. I'll be interested to sell if the price breaches this, or this is my selling zone. I'll be interested to see how the price reacts at this moment in time, guys. The price is in a descending channel, so unless the price remains on this channel, you might want to wait for the price to break this support level and then get on with the trade. If it makes sense, guys, everybody understand, you can buy, of course you can take a buy trade on this to these levels. Yes, stop loss has to be near 1.1900. Be careful. Again, this is also a trading opportunity. Buyers are entering into this. Yes, the candle formation suggesting inverted hammer, bullish engulfing hammer, hammer again, inverted hammer again. I can see the price is making higher highs as well. Use the moving averages on this. Let's apply the moving averages and see what happens. So whoever attended the webinar moving averages, guys, do you understand the moving averages, the principle of moving averages? Everybody tell me, whoever attended the webinar earlier, do you guys understand the principle of moving averages, please?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, great. A very interesting week, by the way. So the price is above 12 moving average and we need a break of the price to breach the 21 moving average. The price is above 12 moving average. The 21 is acting as at resistance. If the price goes up, it means the price is picking momentum, guys. Wait for the crossover. If that happens, it will show you more momentum to the upside, and then you can even stay in the trade with more confidence. You can expect the price to return, make another bottom before the price start rising. But let's see how the price reacts on this trade. Yes, but there is a bullish formation. The price is making higher highs again. That is one. Secondly, the most important and significant, there is another level, important level. Watch on this level, guys. So yes, there is confluences. It could be the first target. Could be the first target. That's right. So that could be the trade, guys. Again, selling trade. When you had a selling trade, you had the crossover. You had a break of the trend line previously. It's pretty easy. Get on the trade. Get on with the trade. You should have a nice, easy trade. And we have been selling this since last week, if you remember. So please confirm if everybody understand how to take the trade or euro yen and what are the levels of buying and selling are concerned. Everybody understand? Shall we move forward, please?
Yes.
Another very interesting pair, excellent pair, very interesting, very bearish. I'm expecting a huge fall. I have a swing trades on it. I had a swing trade on it. Very candlesticks formation suggesting nothing as to the buyers are concerned. There is a crossover of the moving averages suggesting the strength of the selling momentum on this, guys. So yes, institutional targets are very interesting to see how the price reacts. I want to see the break of this. If this happens, trust me, this is a big move to the downside, guys. Again, there is an event. There is an event. This movement, this this movement of the price action, can you see the range is indication that the market participants are waiting for the event to take place, hence they are not investing their money in it and holding the money investment for the event to take place and react to the event. Makes sense? Everybody understand this? This range clearly is an indication of this. So guys, pretty simple plan on this. So everybody understand this, right? So if everybody understand, please say and confirm, yes, I am selling this. I am holding, as of now, I'm selling this based on my fundamental analysis and what I'm seeing on the charts. Technically, it's bearish. Of course, fundamentally, based on the previous precedent and the reaction of the market previously on the events, any news relation to the triggering of Article 50, the reaction has been negative. I am expecting the price to fall on this. Everybody understand this, guys, but always there is a room for price manipulation. Be ready for it, guys. Understand? If you're trading these events, do not inject all of your funds on this. Just be careful. You could have funds which you can, of course, lose. So that's what I'm expecting. And again, guys, remember, these videos are for educational purposes, right? It's not an advice, financial advice I'm giving you here. So please use them for the educational use and educational purposes. So guys, that is precisely it for the day. I'm going to stop the recording because I don't want this recording to go any further, and I will take your questions after stopping the recording for like 5 minutes before we end this discussion, guys. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this webinar, and I will be looking for your feedback on the Facebook, and if there is a good feedback, then definitely I will try to have another public webinar next week sometime. Thank you.